Hi friends, welcome to another haul. This time it's going to be a Winco haul. It's mostly non-food items. There's some food items, but it's because I'm showing you what I'm trying with Riley. So let's get right to what I got. Okay, so we're going to start with food for Riley. As some of you know, he does have a sensory issue with his feet, his hands, his back, and his mouth. His mouth is probably the worst one yet. It used to be his feet, now it's definitely his mouth. He doesn't do well with certain textures, he gags really easily, and he just doesn't do really well with thin liquids. Like, he does not like water whatsoever. So I had to find ways to try to kind of work him into trying new things without causing him to gag, choke, and what he does is kind of gross to some, but I'm used to it because I'm his mama. But if there's a texture he doesn't like, it stays in his mouth. He doesn't spit it out fully and he doesn't swallow it. So he keeps his mouth, and his cheeks become these cute little chipmunk cheeks, but it's full of spit and whatever is bothering him, and he like slowly drools it out. It's really gross and it takes a long time, and it's like, come on, dude. And that's why I squish his cheeks to get some of it out, and sometimes it helps, but he hates that. Who wouldn't hate that? So I'm trying some new things for him. My son Sean, when he was little, he absolutely loved Vienna sausages. So I saw that they had this from Gerber. It's little sticks, and it's like meat sticks with turkey added, and with canola oil and placed in water. I don't know exactly how healthy this is, but it's Gerber, so I think I can trust it. But I got this. This was less than $1. So I got this for him to try out. Of course, I'm not going to give him the whole piece at once because he will choke on that. So I'll probably cut these in 3s, maybe even 4s to start out with, and see how he does. But I got this. Hopefully it helps him, because the poor kid needs to try new things to get accustomed to new things. And then also for liquids, he sometimes likes juice. It just really depends. So I got these little juice boxes. Also, he's not really good with drinking out of a cup yet, and he's starting to do really good with drinking out of a straw. But I was like, okay, so I'm gonna try these, see if he likes them, especially if we're on the go. These are really nice to have. But it's juicy juice, 100% juice, no added sugar, and it's the flavor of kiwi strawberry. So he has tried 2 already, and he does like it. He does also play with it and squirt it out all over the place. So we're working on that too. Work in progress. He is 2.5, and I'm just relearning how to do all this because my youngest before him is 8 years older than him. So it's been a while, but this is what we got. This was less than $2. It was like $1 and something. I can't remember, but I got that for him. And then some of his favorite sippy cups are these Thomas the Train ones, and the little, you know, like in sippy cups there's like those rubber pieces that goes in the lid and to keep it from leaking everywhere, and sometimes those things just run missing or just get nasty and you're just like, I'm not using this again, this is gross. So I was so excited to see that Winco had these. These are actually the rubber stoppers that go inside of the lid for these Thomas cups that he loves so much, and it was only $1.71, I believe, for a 2-pack. So that was a really good deal. So I'm really happy I found that. And then I got this sippy cup that does not spill. There's actually 3 stages. There is no leak, or it's like super slow flow where it doesn't come out at all unless you're sucking on it. Then there's a medium flow where it drips really slowly on its own, and then, or something like that. And then there's a higher flow where maybe it just comes out but not rapid. I'm not sure, but I got it for him to try for at nighttime because he doesn't drink water. He just won't do it. So I was thinking, you know, when he wakes up in the middle of the night and he wants something to drink, he's so tired he might not realize what he's drinking. So I'm like, I gotta hydrate this baby. So I put water in it, and it's working. Like, he'll wake up in the middle of the night and he will grab that and drink it. Sometimes though, he'll be like, whoa, whoa, mom, this is not what I like. Go get me my milk, mama. No. So yeah, but it's work in progress, and he's doing a lot better. He is actually sleeping better through the night now, ever since I started the water in the cup instead of the milk. So he's doing a lot better. But this is the tag that came with it. It glows in the dark, which is wonderful. It's from the brand Even Flow. It's called Triple Flow Glow. So right here, as you can see, there is 3 different stages, and it glows in the dark. So in case, you know, in the middle of the night, if he wakes up, I can find it to give it to him, or he can find it. Let me go get that cup so I can show you. All right, so this is what it looks like. It's a really pretty blue, and it has a giraffe right here, and it's just perfect for nighttime water bottles for him. So until he gets used to drinking out of an actual cup or not needing anything at all, sorry, at all in the middle of the night, this will have to do for now. But this was only $3.98 for it, so under $4, and I was like, that's not bad. So I had him pick this one out. Picked out a color, so that was one he picked up. All right, now moving on to some other food items. This is really cool because I love Winco, especially now. I'm like, why wasn't I thinking about this? So it's perfect for birthday parties, any kind of parties really, but they have bulk candy where you can go by the weight and you can do a variety of candy. You don't have to have like a pound of this and a pound of that. You could do lighter weight than that and add it up to like a pound of candy, and it saves you a ton of money. So I found some Valentine's Day candies. I already put them in my little Valentine's Day box that I got from the Dollar Tree. I love this box, by the way. But here's a bunch of different candies, little Valentine's Day candies and treats. Riley wants one now. You want one? Here. Want this one?
Yeah.
Oh, what do you say? Say thank you.
Yeah.
You're welcome. So those are the candies I got, and I spent such little money because I didn't get a pound of each. I just got a pound altogether, or about 2 pounds. Oh, probably less than that, but it was really, really inexpensive.
Wow.
Wow, Riley says. All right, so if you guys remember, I did in my Walmart haul recently, I showed a box of Love's diapers, and I said there is diapers at Winco for $5 less. And I thought it was the same exact amount of diapers. It's not. It's about 10 diapers less at the one at Winco, but it still saves me $5. And I was like, you know what? I could get 2 boxes of the things at Love's for Love's, and then just spend $5 more and get a ton more diapers. So I returned the ones at the Love's at Walmart, and then I just got 1 box from Winco, which I saved $5, which is great. So it goes into my savings for extra things that we might need throughout the month. Maybe diapers, we'll see. But this is what the box looks like, the Winco brand. And then the diapers are actually really good. I was surprised because sometimes the store brand diapers aren't as good as the name brands. I mean, I'm not a snob when it comes to name brands, but sometimes it's true. They just aren't as good, but the Winco ones are excellent. This is what they look like. They're really cute and they work really well. And in the box, you get 66 for $10.95 or something like that, versus the Love's at Walmart, you get 76 size 5 for $15.97. So I just think it's a good deal. It's fine. I saved some money too. And then I bought cleaning supplies. You know, when you're an adult, when you absolutely love to buy cleaning supplies. I mean, I'm not really good at being an adult because I'm kind of lazy, but I love my cleaning supplies. And I went a little crazy maybe, but I still saved a ton of money. So in my Walmart video, if you saw that one, you also saw that I had a big thing of Gain fabric softener. It was about $11 for it. It's like $10.97 or something like that. Or no, it was $9.97. Sorry, it was about $10 for it. And I was like, you know, I saw at Winco there was some fabric softener for like $5 or 5 something. And I was like, you know, maybe I can get that and make that last a while. Because I also sometimes just use vinegar as fabric softener and you don't smell the vinegar. But I always throw in like scented beads in the wash just to make sure you have a nice smell still. So I saw this and I returned the Gain to save another $5, and I got this stuff right here. It is Ensueno Max, I think that's how you pronounce it, but it's fabric softener and it's the scent Violet Bouquet, and it smells amazing. The only thing is it is really thick. I don't know why it's so thick, but it is really thick. So you may have to water it down a little bit if you have a dispenser for fabric softener, just so it doesn't clog up down the road, or just put a little bit of vinegar with it in the fabric softener compartment just to thin it out and just to keep it working and have your clothes smell amazing and feel so soft. This stuff works amazing. This was only 5 something for it, and you get 94 loads worth. So I think that's great. Another weird thing though is the spout. The spout is like right like you have to pour it this way. You know, it's not where it would normally be along with the handle. So, but it's okay. I can always like try to figure, you know, I work it out, but I saved money and it smells really good. So I'm really happy with this purchase. All right, and then another thing that I got, you know I love my Grove Collaborative. You know I love my all natural cleaning products, but sometimes a girl just needs some Fabuloso in her life. I have always loved Fabuloso. I love the smell and I love how good it works when you put it with your carpet cleaner and it cleans stains off your carpet really good and it smells amazing. I just love it to have a backup cleaner also because sometimes I like to switch it up a little bit. Of course, I'm not going to use it on my kids' high chair where he would eat off of. So the carpet is okay. It's okay. And some other things too that I'm not going to prepare food on or anything like that. Because that kind of stuff I leave with the non-chemical stuff. But here is the Fabuloso. I got a jumbo giant thing of this. It's purple.
Purple?
Yeah, purple. His favorite color is pink, so he thinks like anything like around the shade of pink is pink. So pink, red, and purple is pink right now. But he knows how to say purple.
Pink.
Pink. Anyways, this is a jumbo thing of it, and I love the smell of it. It's not my favorite smell from Fabuloso, but I do love the smell. And it's a whole gallon of this, and you can dilute it and make it last in cleaning sprays and also in your carpet shampooers. It's just nice to have a backup. I'm not going to use it a whole lot because, you know, I prefer my natural products, but this is still great. It was only like $5 or $5 something for it, and you get a gallon's worth and you're supposed to dilute it. So you're getting a ton of product for just like $5 something. So I really liked that. And let's see, that is all of my Winco. My Winco haul, you guys. Stay tuned for more videos to come. I have another haul I'm going to share with you guys, and I'm going to show you guys my favorite cleaning products video very soon as well. So stay tuned for that if you're interested in my favorite cleaning products, and stay tuned for more of my videos, and definitely leave a like, a comment, and share, and please subscribe if you have not yet. I need more friends, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye now.